Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Gunnar Correa and today I will show to you how to install easily OpenTask. This state shield is a very easy because you need to config AT access and path app config.php. In this case I'm using GitHub but Git, but you don't have Git in your local machine, just download zip, okay? Uh, you can install in your local machine. It's my case. I'm using Champi to server, Apache server, and MySQL or MariaDB. But you can install them in your server. I'm using this in another project in HTTPS server. Okay, just copy full link. Okay, I'm going to Champi AT see Champi AT right click here, um, new folder, my task, open, right click, git bash here, git clone, paste your path and put dot. I'm using dots because I don't want to create another folder with OpenTask here. I clone all files in this folder. Okay, then press enter, waiting clone. I'm pausing back, it's finished. Okay, it's right. Now I'm access localhost my task in my browser. Okay, in my browser I'm put localhost slash my task. In this case, send me to another folder in local machine. So let's open AT access. Okay, change the open task for your path. In my case, my task. So open this file, my task. Okay, press Ctrl S to save. Okay, public. If you stay in root, just delete this. Okay, Ctrl C. I'm back here. Okay, localhost slash my task is not working. Why? Right, I need to config the another file. Open app config.php. In base, if you stay in root, whoops, come back. If you stay in root, set only slash. In my case, slash my task slash URL count. I will change this for true for C in browser. Come back here, put my task. Okay, let's put controller dot slash method and param2. Okay, look, I need this structure. I don't need my task. If I open or I insert one here, look, my task controller method params. I don't need the task. My first element I will need it's only controller. The first element of my array it's controller. Okay, so let's back one. If you are staying in server with another path, change the count paths here. Okay, 1 2 3 4. In my case, and delete my task. Okay, Control R. Here, your local database. I'm copy from another path. I don't remember what is it. App config. What is it? Okay, open task. Okay, in my case it's localhost, it's root, it's path name. Oh god, it's open task. Now just Control R, back to false. Okay, the full date time for America, São Paulo, Brazil. Date structure, date time structure, and time zone. Don't change these files. Okay, file image and file path. Okay, size of files and size of image files in megabytes, 1 MB. Okay, and accept meme types. If you want to upload another meme types, just put it here. Okay, okay, just press Ctrl R, put your user here. I don't remember my password. A12345Z. Okay, well done. Your OpenTask already installed. If you have your questions, please comment in the form below. See you later.